Are you tired of your everyday routine? Have you felt the monotony of daily life seeping into your bones, making you yearn for something more than your usual 9-to-5 grind? Are you frustrated with the usual predictability of life and wishing for a break, an escape, an adventure? If you've ever felt stuck in a rut, daydreaming about exotic locations and unique cultures, but are held back by the idea that travel is too expensive, then this video is exactly what you need. You do not need to be a millionaire to travel. You don't need to save up for years or win the lottery. The notion that traveling requires vast sums of money is a myth, a misconception that we are here to dispel. In this video, we will unveil some remarkable budget travel hacks that will revolutionize the way you perceive travel. We will reveal the secrets to affordable and enriching travel, secrets that have been hidden from the everyday person. These strategies, tips and tricks will demonstrate that travel, on a limited budget, is not only possible, but can be incredibly enjoyable. We'll guide you on how to plan your trips efficiently, how to find the best deals on accommodations and flights, how to navigate your way around expensive tourist traps, how to eat and live like a local, and so much more. We will to the possibilities that exist even with a shoestring budget. We will also share stories and experiences of people just like you, who have dared to step out of their comfort zones, to travel the world on a budget. Their inspiring stories will galvanize you to take the plunge and start your own journey of discovery. These are strategies that real people with real budgets have used to traverse the globe, proving that it's not about the money, but the will and the desire to explore. You'll learn about tools and resources available for budget travelers, applications that help you compare prices, find cheap airfare, economical accommodations, and free or low-cost activities in your desired destination. You'll also learn about travel hacking, a practice where you strategically earn and use points and miles to travel for free or at a significantly reduced price. There will be discussions about different types of affordable travel, from backpacking across continents to house swapping, from work exchange programs to volunteering overseas. We'll show you that travel is not just about being a passive tourist, but about immersing yourself in a new culture, understanding the locals, their traditions, their way of life, and making unforgettable memories. This is a journey to unlock the secrets of affordable travel, to debunk the myths that have kept you chained to your routine. We're here to show you how travel can be much more than just an occasional luxury. It can be a way of life, accessible to anyone willing to get creative with their budget. We offer a comprehensive guide to budget travel, a treasure trove of knowledge gathered from experienced budget travelers, seasoned wanderers who have explored the corners of the earth, not with their wallets but with their hearts and minds. This video is not just about offering practical tips, it's about inspiring you to break free from your everyday routine and venture into the unknown, to discover the world and diverse place that's waiting for you to explore. It's about showing you that the most valuable experiences often come from stepping off the beaten path, from encounters with different people and cultures, from the moments that take your breath away, moments that money can't buy. So, strap in, open your mind, and get ready to embark on a journey that will change your life. Get your passport ready, your adventurous spirit stirred, your curiosity piqued, because the adventure starts now. Travel during off-peak seasons to save big on flights and accommodation. This strategy not only benefits your wallet, but also offers you an unparalleled perspective of your chosen destination. When the dense crowds of summer tourists have dissipated, the true essence of a place radiates. This is the time when the locals, free from their duty to cater for the throngs of visitors, go about their daily lives. They are less hurried, more relaxed, and more willing to interact with you. Cafes, restaurants, and pubs that were once teeming with tourists are now filled with neighborhood regulars, offering a much more authentic experience and an opportunity to truly immerse yourself in the local culture. Delve into the local markets when they are not overrun with other visitors. These markets are a sensory delight. The colors, smells, and tastes are all the more vivid when the market is less chaotic. The local vendors, no longer preoccupied with serving a multitude of tourists, also have the time for a friendly chat and to share a story or two about their wares. When you travel during off-peak seasons, you get to see the world through a different lens. You gain a deeper appreciation for the places you visit because you have the time and space to experience them fully. Not only do you save big on flights and accommodation when you travel during off-peak seasons, but you also make big gains. The most tangible ones are the financial savings. Airlines and hotels, eager to fill their seats and rooms, offer tempting deals and discounts during these periods. This equates to more money in your pocket which you can spend on other experiences or save for your next adventure. But the gains go beyond financial savings. You gain time, less time spent queuing up for attractions, less time waiting for your meal in crowded restaurants, and more time for what really matters: exploring and experiencing your chosen destination. You gain space. The lack of crowds means that you can wander aimlessly without being jostled, take photos without inadvertently capturing other tourists, find a quiet spot to sit and soak up the atmosphere without competing for space. And perhaps most importantly, you gain a sense of authenticity. You're not just another tourist but a traveler, one who seeks to understand the heart and soul of a place. And that understanding comes not from ticking off a list of attractions, but from interacting with the locals, hearing their stories, tasting their food, observing their way of life. Traveling during off-peak seasons also allows you to travel responsibly and sustainably. With fewer tourists around, there is less strain on the local environment and resources. You have the opportunity to support local businesses, which are often hit hard by the fluctuating tourist seasons. So, consider traveling outside the high season. It may require a bit more planning and perhaps some flexibility in terms of weather and daylight hours, but the rewards are worth it. Plus, you'll avoid the crowds and have a more authentic experience. Instead of focusing on well-known tourist hotspots, consider lesser-known gems that are equally beautiful and often much cheaper. Think outside the box and discover hidden treasures. Experience the culture by staying in local homes through platforms like Airbnb, which are usually cheaper than traditional hotels. You'll have a beautiful home away from home and the chance to connect with the locals. Eating out can quickly add up, so consider cooking your own meals or trying local street food. This way, you'll save money without missing out on delicious culinary experiences. Opt for public transportation, walk, or even rent a bike. It's not only cheaper but also a great way to explore the city at your own pace. Use ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft to get around. And don't forget carpooling and sharing accommodation with fellow travelers. Not only will you save money, but you might also make new friends along the way. Many cities offer free walking tours, museums with no admission fees on certain days, or beautiful parks to explore. Take advantage of these opportunities to immerse yourself in the local culture and save money at the same time. Now that you know these budget travel hacks, it's time to start planning your next adventure. Remember, traveling cheap doesn't mean missing out on a fulfilling experience. So go out there, embrace the world, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching.